nationalistes, les loups gris, Pierre Coulon.
Grijze wolven, die Wölfe.
The conversation and debate around the grey wolves, and particularly this hand gesture, these differ inside Turkey and the European context.
Kula with it, it's exactly the same area, and it's the same result from the same man.
Mesut Özil.
Und zwar geht es um einen rollenden grauen Wolf.
Hier zeigen einige Anhänger ein anderes Handzeichen.
The northern German city of Bremen has banned the use of the silent fox gesture in classrooms.
...90'lı yıllarda hem genel pop milliyetçi dalga hem de aslında dışlayıcı ağırlıklı olarak Kürt meselesini hedef alan bir düşmanca kimlik deklarasyonu özelliği de vardı. Son yıllarda başka siyasi parti liderlerinin de milliyetçi oyları çekmek için ya da onlara sevimli görünmek için kullandıklarını gördük. Ama hiçbir zaman bu işaret Türkiye'nin milli sembolü olarak kabul görmüş bir işaret değil.
Graue Wölfe überfallen eine Demonstration von
Les loups gris qui a terrorisé la communauté arménienne la semaine dernière.
Attackers were reported to have waved the Turkish flag and performed the wolf salute.
These incidents, these protests, these street clashes effectively created a sense of an environment of fear, marinated in sort of the rise of hate language in these states that forced countries like Austria and France to begin a wider national debate about what to do about the grey wolves. Many Turks, whilst very open about their Turkish nationalist sentiment and identity and very proud of it, they don't associate themselves with the grey wolf. So it's not a unifying symbol, nor is it representative of a wider universal sense of Turkishness.